Hello guys, and welcome back to my video today. In today's video, I'll be reviewing 10 different websites where you can find remote jobs anywhere in the world. So if this is what you like to see, I'd advise that you see this video until the end, because in this video I'll be demonstrating this website. I'll be going into them one after the other so you can see how it is done and how you can apply for jobs with your phone or with your laptop or or any kind of gadget you might be using. So if you are new on this channel, this is the channel where I talk about digital tools you can use to make money online, or digital tools you can use to improve your online business. So stay with me and I'll be right back.
Right here in the world, me with you all alone. It's like a dream come true. I want you right here in the world. Me with you all alone. It's like a dream come true.
Hello guys, so welcome back to the video. So without wasting much of our time, let us go right straight into what I have for you guys today. So the number one site I would like us to check out together is remoteok.io. Don't worry, this will flash up anywhere on the screen so you can be able to see clearly the name of this website. So let's go inside this website right now. So this is pretty much how remoteok.io looks like. As you can see on the screen, this is my laptop screen. So as you can see on the screen, you can see different type of jobs, and they are looking for qualified candidates to fill in for this job. So here it says they are looking for a senior front-end developer. So if you are qualified for this job, you can just check out the qualification for you to apply for this job. You can see this is where we apply. This is the apply button here. So for you to check the qualification, you just have to click anywhere on the on the space anywhere around there. So you can just click like I did just now, and you can see the objective 1, the objective 2, objective 3, the key areas of responsibility. You can see working at everything that you need to know is here. So once you feel you are qualified, you can just click on the apply for this job right here. So you can apply for this job. Location says worldwide. The location says worldwide. So this is anywhere in the world, so you can apply for this job. Let's check out other 2 more jobs here. So you can see, let me search for somebody who is not in tech. Okay, see, there's a freelance writer here. So if you are qualified to be a freelance writer, you can just, like we did the other time, you can just check out the qualification of this job. I can see something around there. I think the pay here is around $40,000 to $50,000. So let's just click on this right here, and okay, so this is everything you need to know. You need to know before you apply for this job right here. As you can see here, the requirement, we ask that all work be completed using a word processor such as Microsoft Word or OpenOffice, a reliable internet connection and ability to meet deadlines, good communication skills and response in a timely manner to editorial staff when they ask for updates on task, etc. Work well as a team member with the rest of our content management and editorial staff. Please mention the word. Okay, so this is everything. Salary and compensations, as you can see, like I said the other time, this is $40,000 to $50,000 dollars. So that is that about remoteok.io. Moving on is showcase.com. Don't worry, it will flash up on the screen like it did the other time. Alternatively, you can check in the video description. I will make sure to put these links in the video description. And I wouldn't be spending much time demonstrating this site because we still have 9 more websites to go for this video. So I wouldn't be wasting too much time demonstrating this site. I was just going to them and come out again. So let us check out showcase.com. Now, if you are into coding, this website is for you. As you can see on the screen, the network built for coders. Showcase is a network built for coders to connect, build community, and find new opportunities. So, in essence, this website are for those who are into developing, the developers. So now, what is peculiar about this website is that you have to sign up. You have to have an account with them because you have to connect with other communities. You have to connect with the community. You have to connect with other coders. You have to find new opportunities with this website. So you have to sign up, and once you sign up, you can get everything you need from this website. So moving on is, this is remotive.io. This, to me, this look pretty much like remoteok.io, so you can easily navigate through this website. Before I forget, the link remotive.io, it will flash up on the screen so you can see, and also the link will be provided in the video description. So make sure you check out the video description so you can get to this place right now. As you can see, this website, they are looking for senior software engineer, Python, developing engineers, licensed mental health therapist, freelance writer, PHP developer, all those kind of work, back-end developer, head of design. So everything is there. So if you are qualified for one of this job, you can say data analyst, product marketing manager. If you are qualified for this job, all you have to do is just click on see more to check their requirements. If you meet up with the requirements, just click on apply here. So moving on is, so this is workingnormals.com. Don't worry, the link will flash up on the screen, and also it will be in the video description. Don't forget to check out the video description. So this is workingnormals.com, and it says that this remote job for digital working nomads. Work remotely from your home or places around the world. And another thing peculiar to this website is that you have to sign up. So once you sign up, you can access all these remote jobs here. As you can see, product analyst, Python developer, platform engineer, animation and video expert, hosting support, all those kind of work. And if you are qualified, you can just apply for them, but don't forget to sign up at first. So moving on to the next is freshremote.work. As usual, this will flash up on the screen, and also it will be in the video description, so make sure you check out the video description. So this looks more or less like remotive.io, remoteok.io. So this work, and it even says if you are looking for a part-time or full-time. So here it says they are looking for a React Native developer. I don't know what that means. I am not a developer. So it says they're looking for Python developer here, full stack developer here, cloud information, cloud infrastructure, account manager, senior Python engineer, and it goes on and on and on. You can just check whatever you are qualified for. You can apply anywhere in the world. So moving next is, so what I'll be showing you next is remotehunt.com. As usual, it will flash up on the screen, or it will be in the video description. So what is peculiar about this website is that some are pertaining to a country, while some are worldwide. So you need to be very, very attentive. You need to pay 100% attention whenever you are searching for a job on this website, so you can make sure you fulfill the requirement of the location that you are before you apply. For example, check this out. In this job, it says Canada. As you can see, front-end developer, and the location is Canada. In this place, it says technical support engineer, and the location is worldwide. So the location for this one too is worldwide, and the location for this job is US. So you need to be very, very it is important that you check the location before you apply for the job on this website. So moving on is WeWorkRemotely.com. So it is just pretty much like remoteok.io, remotive.io, remote so everything you can see right here. So like the one I showed you earlier on, you have to pay attention to the location. For this job it says Canada only, so if you are if you are in Canada, you can apply for this job. And this place says EMEA only. I don't know the full meaning of that. So this place it says USA only, USA only, USA only, and this one it says anywhere in the world. So you have to pay 100% attention to the location before you apply for a job on this website also. Now we are going to be moving on to the next one, which flexjob.com. So you have to sign up to this website to be able to see the jobs available on this website. So once you sign up to this website, you log in and you can see the jobs available on this website. And remember, you must pay attention to the location. So it says around there, currently listing 26,090 jobs from 5,449 companies. So trust me, you are going to definitely find a job here. So the rest of the websites, I'm going to list them right now, right there. So before I continue, I would like to remind you that if you like what you see in this video, if you want to keep seeing videos like this, please hit the like button and subscribe to this channel so you can be among the first to get my videos whenever I drop them. So the rest of the website I haven't demonstrated is freelancer.com. We have dicesnap.io. This will flash up on the screen, and we have remoteglobal.com. So this is pretty much everything I have for you guys on this video today. Thank you for seeing this video, and I will see you in my next video. God bless you.